Damn, this music beats. I'm about to. Okay, screw that. Let's enable talking mode. See what happens, chat. Today we're going to enable talking mode on rooms and doors. Let's check what it feels like. I'm about to enable voice acting mode, chat. No way. Gotta get this battery real quick. Oh, we can hide here. Nice. That. Oh no! It's A60! What? Sucky? Oh my god, bro! No way, bro! No way!
Some computers suck blood. Oh, I hate it, but all of what that is.
Oh my god, bro! A60 is so being naughty, bro. Nah. Dude, what?
This is more for me, but it's more for you, since you're to experience what I call peak cinema. Get over here, baby daddy.
What? Oh, bro!
You're ready for one, two.
No! Bro. Dude, what the actual... Give me that battery.
You're ready, you just picked up a piece of battery that's literally made of what I am.
What? Oh my god, oh my... Bro, A60's... I said no. I will not. Give me that, please. Thank you. I will not hide in fucking tables. I think that's a bad idea. Possibly. Oh no. What do I do? Never mind. Okay, I wonder what will A60 Prime will sound like. I wonder what will A60 Prime sound like. I wonder. Okay, let's find out.
You will wonder what he will sound like pretty soon, because he's literally just me all over again.
So you two are gay.
You'd be offensive to trans people.
Bro, what?
You need to be transphobic, bro.
such a the motherfucking skeleton. Never mind. Just get me in that locker. Get me in that locker. Get me in that locker.
You realize my lips are ready to be sucked up.
Right. I know how to survive and I know how to survive this stupid ass skeleton. Oh no, would you look at that? Oh, what the hell? What? Oh great, it's all dark now.
This problem business is still important.
No, not today.
Oh yeah. Yeah, specific here.
Oh, okay.
Get out, get out, get out, get out. Well, guess what? In a very specific down there part of what's ready to be sucked on.
What?
Welcome to don't make a gentleman wait.
Bro, he's 60 and he's 60 pounds of being. Bro, what the
You
hell?
realize I have so much patience. It's not like you could just waste that all just for me.
Yeah, there's no choice. I gotta hide here. Ow! Oh!
Did you enjoy my little taste?
What? What the fuck? No!
Let's be honest. We know you loved it.
Horny ass bitch, bro. What the fuck?
Oh yeah. It's so ready to be sucked on.
Dude, I'm about to go insane, man. Nah, bro.
You're insane.
Oh god.
You're insane, my sexy.
What? I guess I think
Yeah.
I guess
Yeah. You might as well want to also check your DMs too.
I guess he's 60 pounds. Let's just talk too. What a bozo.
You actually want to check your DMs too, because that's a secret message for you to.
What? Dude. Enough with the kinkiness, bro. Ow! God, my bones. My bone sack.
Hey, stay serious. Check your DMs.
Okay. Gotta hide it. Stop, bro. Fuck off, A60. Okay, so A60 said, check your DMs. Let's check. You bitch! You motherfucker! Oh, I'm going to literally fucking kill you.
It's your very birthday present I sent to you, kinky boy.
What? I am not. Bro. I'm about to commit war crimes, bro.
You're ready to get ahead because it makes it more sexy.
Bro. Do that. Oh god. Open.
knowledge. Certain down part of mine is extended. Oh, you who? Certain down part of mine is extended.
I am not. I am no coronavirus. Fuck off, A60, bro. Whoa. A big hole.
Oh, come on. It's not like you know a specific bone.
Well, at least it didn't die. This game is gonna get harder and harder. A90? Nope. Fuck off. I fucking hate A90 so much, bro. Oh no.
You know I do have a boner.
What?
Listen, you know I have a boner.
Yo, bro. A60, man. What the fuck?
Like I said before, you shouldn't make a gentleman wait, because there's only so much patience you can have.
Dude, bro. A60 is going. A100. Ugh. Oh. Give me that. No.
You've reached a new stage. However, you're not escaping me, honey.
Yo! This looks rusty.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I almost forgot to mention.
What?
You might have reached a new stage, but you ain't escaping me, honey.
I'm dead. Not a big surprise. Well, joke's on you. I got the checkpoint, dumbass. Idiot.
So, did you like my surprise I had for you?
Bro, fuck off. A60, man. Bro, I'm about to kill myself, man. Well, don't worry. I have the A100 checkpoint, so I'm so.
Let's face it, you knew it was coming. Especially to you, honey.
What? No! Oh, time to go do A1. The fuck? Oh. What the hell? Woo! Checkpoint. Thank you so much for your honors. Thank you, thank you. Whoa. Okay, this place looks rusty again. Bye, A60. Fucking idiot. What a dumbass, bro. What the hell? Oh, look! Mr. Skull!
Mr. Skull is over here.
Hello, I'm Mr. Skull. Ow, 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 ow.
Get over here, little bro. Let me kill you. Uh-huh.
What is this? That's how what it's like to be with me.
Dang it. Fuck. Damn. I guess I'm back here then. Fuck you. The hell is the fuck was that? Oh no. What? What?
It's just offended. But also, I have regular friends with me, so
Hey guys.
you know, you won't always be alone, pretty boy.
Oh my god. I'm fucking kill myself right now. I'm about to kill myself, bro. No charms. Damn. Fuck that. Yeah, fuck that. I'll just do A100. I'm ready. Oh, what's this? I just come back here again. Oh no, you have got to be kidding me. Free battery? Free batteries? Seriously? It's gonna be harder than I thought. give up. I give up.